Hello, you are welcome back to this class. So in this class, we'll continue from where we stopped. So we've looked at how to convert from base 10 to other bases and other bases to base 10. So in this class, we want to look at how to convert from one base to another other than base 10. That is, we want to see how we can convert, for example, from base 2 to maybe to base 3 or base 4 to base 1, base 2, and so on and so forth. So how do we go about that? That's what we want to learn in this video. So there are two steps involved in converting from one base to another other than base 10. So the first step is that you convert the given base to base 10. That's the first thing you do. You convert the given base to what? To base 2, to base 10. So after that, after converting to base 10, they then convert the answer we got in base 1 here, in the first step here, to the required base. So let's look at this example to see how we're going to go about it. So the first example says convert 3041 base 5 to base 2. Convert 3041 base 5 to base 2. You can see we are converting from base 5 to base 2. There is no base 10 in it at all. So it's quite different from converting base 5 to base 10 or base 2 to base 10 and so on and so forth. So how do we do that? The first step is that we convert this to base what? To base 10. So that is solution here. Solution. So we have number 1. So 3041 base 5. So we convert this to base 10. So don't forget how to convert that. We have 0, 1, 2, 3. So that means we're going to have 3 multiplied by 5 raised by what? 3 plus 0 multiplied by what? The 5 raised by what? 2 plus 4 multiplied by 5 raised by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 5 raised by 0. So from here we can then continue. So the first thing we need to do, let's can group it, depends. Like group it, like leave it this way, right? 3 times 5 raised by 3, 125, plus 0 times 5 raised by 3 is 25, right? Plus 4 times 5 plus 1 multiplied by 5 raised by 0. Anything raised by 0, don't forget, is what? 1. So we'll put 1 here. So let's now multiply this. That is 125 times 3, which gives us 375 plus 0 times 25 is 0, 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 times 1 is what? 1. We add everything together, plus 21. So this gives us 396 to what? In base 10. So that's the first step, which is this one. So convert the given base to base 10. We have converted 3041 base 5 to base 10. So the next thing is, so we have, don't forget we are converting to base 2. So in that case, we are going to convert this. So convert the result in step 1 above, to the required base. So what's the required base in this case? It is 2. So we're going to convert this one to base 2. So let's have that here. So we're going to have, we convert it to base 2, 396, then we use 2 to divide, and we write down our remainder. So I hope I'm making sense. So in this case, so we're going to have this, let's do it here, because of the space, let's have it here, right? We have the number here, 396, then 2, we have remainder. So 2 in this, that is 1 remainder 1, that is 9 remainder 1, that is 8. 2 can still go, this is 9, 9, this is remainder 0, this is also remainder 0, 2 here, that is 4, carry 1, that is 9, remainder 1, 2 can go, that is 2, 4 remainder 1, then 2 here is 12 remainder 0, right? 2 here, that is 6 remainder 0, so 2 can go in 6, that is 3 remainder 0, 2 here, 1 remainder 1, then 2 in 1 is 0 remainder 1. So our answer will be from bottom to the top. So in that case, so we can therefore conclude that 3041 base 5, right, is equals to, that will be 11001100 base what? Base 2. How this is very clear. So that's how we go about this. So the first we convert it to base 10. From base 10 we then convert it to the required what? Base. So let's look at the second example. Question number 2, we have convert 101110 base 2 to an octal number. Octal means base 8. Octal means what? Base 8. So which we are converting this to base 8, we're still going to follow the same process. So we first of all convert this one to base 10. This will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So we're going to have 1 multiplied by 2. This is 2 raised by 5. Plus, now, this is 0 here. This 0, if you multiply 0 by anything, you get 0. So in that case, I'm going to jump this 0. I think I've explained this when we're treating how to convert from one base to base 10. So in this case, this one I'll omit this. That will be what? 1 times 2 raised by 3 plus 1 times 2 raised by 2 plus 1 times 2 raised by 1. So the last 0 is also, we are not going to make use of it. So let me divide this into 2, right? So in that case, I'm going to have 1 times 2 raised by 5, which will give us what? 32. So that is 2 times 2. So don't say 10 here. It's 2 raised by 5, which means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2 is what? 32. How that is clear. Plus 1 times 2 raised by 3 is 8. Plus 1 times 2 raised by 2 is what? 4. Plus 1 times 2 raised by 1 is what? Is 2. So let's now multiply. So 1 times 32 is 32. 1 times 8, 8. Plus 1 times 4, 4. Plus 1 times 2, 2. I hope I'm making sense. So in that case, we had everything together here. So 32 plus 8, that is 40. 44, 46. Now we have 46 base 10. That's now our final answer. Don't forget, we asked to convert it to base what? 8. Base 8, right? So in this case, since we are converting to base 8, we use 8 to divide this, and as we're dividing it, we write down our remainder. So let's have that here. We have 46. We have our remainder here. We have 8 here. How am I making sense? 8 in 46, that is 5, which is 40, remainder 6. You can see 6 is less than 8, so it's part of the answer. Then 8 in 5 is 0, remainder what? 5. So in that case, so our answer is what? 5. So we can then conclude that 101110 base 2 equals to what? 56 base what? Base 8. That is the answer. I hope this is very clear. Alright, so we look at the last example that we have here. Example number 3. Last example we have here, convert 335 base 7 to a base 9 number. So the same process, we change this on to base 10. To base 10, that will be 3 multiplied by 7 raised by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 7 raised by 1 plus 5 multiplied by 7 raised by 0. So that will be 3 times 49 plus 3 times 7 plus 5 times 1. Anything raised by 0 is 1. So we then multiply this out. 3 times 49 times 49. So this is 147, right? Plus 21 plus 5. So let's add everything together. Plus 26. So this gives us 173 base 10. That is not the final answer. So don't forget, the second step is that you convert it to the required base. What's the required base here is base 9. So let's work it here. We're going to use 9 to divide. And as we're dividing, we write down our remainder. We have 173 here. We use 9 to divide, we have our remainder here. So in this case, 9 in 17 is 1, so which is 9. So we have 8 left. 9 in 83 is 9, which is 81. Remainder 2. We have 2 here. So 9 in 19 is 2, remainder 1, right? And 9 in 2 is 0, remainder was 2. So which means that the answer is from here, bottom to top. So we can conclude that, so 3, 3, 5, base 7 equals what? 2, 1, 2, base what? Base 9. So you can see that this is very simple. That's how to convert from one base to another other than base 10. So this is what we're going to stop in this video. If you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to give a very big thumb up and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. So we'll meet in our next video. Bye for now.